Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an amazing apple cider vinegar lemonade that is not only refreshing, but packed with amazing benefits. For this apple cider vinegar lemonade, you're going to need lemon, apple cider vinegar, honey, and if you're vegan, you could always substitute the honey for agave, 4 to 8 ounces of water, and a cup for your lemonade. Make sure that it's microwavable, and a cup of ice. And that's it! First, we're going to take our water